Let's roll! Our first game is called Roll Between the Targets. You will have 1 minute to make as many underhand rolls between your two targets. Bring back the ball after every roll and give yourself 1 point for every successful roll. Now go choose your two objects. You can choose a cup and/or a Kleenex box, 2 shoes, a water bottle, a container, or bowling pins if you have them. Important things to remember: shake it, wake it, step, get low, and roll. Shake the ball, wake up your leg, step with that leg, get low, and roll. Ready for round 1? Let's roll! Great job! Now let's play again and try to beat our score from the first game. Ready for round 2? Let's roll! Awesome! Now let's try again, but every time we are successful, we will move the targets closer together. This game is called Close the Targets. You will have 1 minute to make as many underhand rolls between your two targets. Move the targets closer together after every successful roll. Move the targets apart when you are not successful. Ready for round 3? Let's roll! Make sure your pins are far enough apart so you can slowly move them together. Get ready. Now it is time to roll and hit the target. It is okay if it does not knock down. Count every successful roll that you hit your target. Good luck. Make sure you remember, shake it, wake it, step, get low, and roll. Shake that ball with your favorite hand. Wake up the leg you need to step with. Step forward, get low, and roll. The next game is called Roll and Hit the Targets. You have 1 minute to make as many underhand rolls and hit one of your targets. Set the pin back up after every successful knockdown. How many points can you score? Ready for round 4? Let's roll! Great job! Now let's play again and try to beat our score from the first game. Are you ready for round 5? Let's roll! I hope you enjoyed practicing your rolling skills. Feel free to play some more, but this time use a different ball or increase the distance. You decide the challenge. Have a great day!